Alright, so I hope this is a good month for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is going to be Ipsy Glam Bag Plus August 2022. I already did the Ipsy Glam Bag video. If you haven't watched it, not too excited about that one at all. Like last month it was fabulous. I do not know what happened this month. Here's our bag. Again, like I mentioned, these are like, I don't die for these bags. But the little purses that you get in the Ipsy Glam Bag, I just love them. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's talk about this little pouch. It's alright. I don't die for this design. I don't know why I'm thinking that this is like a repeat. Like I saw this design before, but maybe not. I don't know. So let's start pulling some stuff. Oh, I think I picked this. I'm not sure. Look at this. This thing is huge. This is a 6.4 ounce and it's by Dry Bar. I've received one thing by Dry Bar before. This is what it looks like. This is the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Lasts through 3 washes. Protects up to 450. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistant. Leaves a super glossy silky finish without weighing hair down. That's a must because everything weighs my hair down. It's so thin, it gets oily in the roots easily. You're supposed to use it on damp hair. Says that for best results, do not apply any other pre-styling products. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. First product, not bad. I like to receive at least one hair product. What is this? Dr. Zenovia Hormonal Dermatology Clear Complexion Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer. Oil-free hydration to soothe redness and acne prone. I don't remember if I picked this. I don't think I would have picked this. This is what it looks like. I'm seeing this brand more and more. I like that it's oil free. Again, I have super oily skin, so I'm very careful with like any moisturizer that I use. I usually like gels better. Clinical grade formula to hydrate, soothe, and balance acne prone skin. This is ultra light, non-comedogenic, moisturizes feature skin soothing squalane, aloe vera, and clinically curated antioxidant blend to deliver superior oil-free hydration. Apply a rich layer onto clear face and neck. I think, again, I also think I received something from this brand before, but I'm not sure. For some reason, I think this would be like super pricey, but I would have to check. It's not like they send you details here about the products like the Ipsy Glam Bag. Looks super like luxurious. This is a glass bottle. Oh, this is by Complex Culture. This is Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Oh yes, I think I did pick this. This is Ipsy's makeup brand. I believe that's what I heard. Relax, you got this. So pretty. It's a beautiful like rose gold. I have to read like how this is used exactly. I see this uses like when you're getting filler, they usually like make you hold or hold here. It feels really cooling. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily soothe and sculpt skin. I'm excited about this, I really am. Okay, here you go. So your battery goes there. Remember this. Dew of the Gods Froze? The Royal Face Wash. Ooh. How interesting. So colorful. Squalane Cream Facial Cleanser. Look, it says, oh my god, so cute. Was a time when rosé was reserved for royalty. Well, while the royals eat cake, we'll be over here sipping on iced cocktails and living our best lives. Formulated with ultra luxe squalane and blended into a delicious cream. Okay, this sounds too interesting. Frosé Royal Face Wash is gentle but bows to no one. It's like supposed to leave you dewy. So this says Dew of the Gods. I don't want something that's gonna be dewy. Oh, that smelled strange. I don't know what that smell was. I'm gonna open it quickly to see because this is so intriguing. I have to see what it looks like. Oh, this is so fun. Super fun. I mean, it doesn't look luxurious. It looks super, it looks fun. Fun. It's closed. So as of now, there's absolutely no makeup. Crazy, right? So this is Shaynaby Bellini Cream Blush. Create a warm peachy glow with this Miami inspired cream blush. I almost never use cream blushes just because I'm oily. I just prefer powders. But let's go ahead and look at this. Ipsy loves to send this makeup brand. Oh my god, look how cute. How cute. I love that color so much. This is Cream Blush Bellini, made in China. Wow. I am excited to use this. I love peaches, corals. Oh, and it comes with a mirror. That is so amazing. This is just really cute. I hope it works out. The color is peach right here. It looks like it would be, I don't know, maybe perfect or maybe too light. Can't wait to try it out. I'll be doing reviews on whichever I don't put in giveaways. Okay. One makeup item is like, we got hair stuff, we got a face wash, we got a moisturizer, we got a face tool, a blush. So I'm not gonna say I did not like this bag at all. I'm not gonna say that. It was an interesting bag, that's what I'll say. I'll go more towards that I did like it than not, because as long as the products work. Let me know if you got your bag already. Did you like it? Did you get any of these items? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.